Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. So as you guys following my series, we have seen few lab section that is streaming and restreaming with Nginx. So in this section we'll see how we can stream from HLS. Okay, so I am using my installed Nginx what I shown earlier. I don't have to install other libraries as I installed Nginx with Snap. So what should I do in my RTMP configuration? Let me show you. It's a little bit changes here, as you can see, than the previous one. I'm using a server. It's running on 8080 port and some header. Okay, and I'm adding some header. Okay, and this section is important to understand that I'm adding types to convert my file or to transfer my file response my file. Okay, and I'm using the root directory as home background data. Okay, that's it. And here is some changes. You can see I'm using enable HLS on, and HLS path is this one. Okay, so in the HLS directory it will be automatically generated. Okay, all you have to do create this data directory and put this here also and here also. Okay, and I am mentioning that the fragment will be 3 and it will be stay 60 seconds. And this deny play all means that you cannot use this streaming without any streaming server. Okay, you cannot use it directly in the browser. So that's it. So it's nothing fancy. It is simple as it is. Okay, so let's see. Let's start my Nginx, and now that let's go to my ops to start his streaming, and let me show you. It is this time RTMP and my port and /show, and this is stream key. Okay, so this stream key is test. Now let's see. Okay, now if I start streaming, it should be start. And now if I show you, if I go to the data directory, okay, and here should be the HLS folder. That's fine. And here, as you can see, the test.m3ut file, and okay, so this is the HLS file. Okay, so let me open my VLC. VLC. Okay, so what should I do? Just I should as you can see here already, I have this time HTTP server, because I am serving with this HTTP module, and this is the IP, and this is the port, and has the HLS folder, and this is the file name. And now if I hit on the play icon, as you can see, it is live streaming. Okay, from the HLS file. So in the previous video I have shown you. Okay, as you can see, so this is the restreaming from HLS directory, and this is simple because you are using ops to stream your whatever you are using here. That means you can also stream from a browser, and it is going to the RTMP module of Nginx, and it is now storing in the HLS directory, okay, as a HLS file, and from there we are serving our test.m3ut u8 file. That's it. Okay, and m3u8. So this is the HLS streaming of using Nginx. Thank you all.